In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Briar app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a multicolored triangle. Tapping on this icon opens the store, where millions of apps are available for download. This is a crucial step because the Play Store is the safest and most reliable way to get Android apps. It ensures you are downloading the legitimate version of the software you want. Once you have the Play Store open, you will see various categories of apps and games available. Now that you are in the Play Store, the next action is to tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Briar. The search bar is a white rectangle at the top, and tapping it will bring up your keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Make sure to spell Briar correctly to find the app easily. This is important because it directs you to the exact application you are looking for, avoiding confusion with other similarly named apps. After entering the name, you can either press Enter or tap the search icon on your keyboard. From there, you will need to select the official Briar app published by the Briar Project. Take a moment to look at the app icon and the publisher to confirm you are selecting the right app. The official Briar app will have a clear description and the name of the publisher listed below it. This step ensures that you are downloading the authentic app, which is essential for your security and the integrity of the software. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its page. Next up, you will tap the Install button. This button is typically green and located prominently on the app's page. By tapping Install, you are initiating the download and installation process. The app will begin downloading, and you can see the progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This action is vital because it starts the process of making the app available for you to use on your device. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open, allowing you to launch the app immediately after installation. After that, you should see a confirmation appear on the screen indicating that the Briar app has been installed successfully. This is a reassuring step because it confirms that everything went smoothly and you are now ready to use the app. You can either tap Open from the Play Store or go back to your home screen to find the Briar app icon. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can easily access the app whenever you want. Now you are all set to explore the features and functionalities of Briar. In conclusion, downloading the Briar app on Android is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you ensure you have the official version of the app, keeping your device secure and providing you with the best user experience. Enjoy using Briar and make the most of its features.